You probably read the title of the video and you're like, oh, wasn't expecting that. So I'm kind of traumatized from what happened to me. Those who know, I had to go to the hospital because I had some sickness that was really bad. It kind of traumatized me. I can't get anything done. Sometimes I just cry for no reason because I think of what happened. It's pretty scary, but I'm just giving an update of what happened. To all the people who wondered about why I was gone, like I said, I got logged out of my YouTube account. But that was the main reason. It wasn't because of my sickness. That was like sickness came when I uploaded that reason video. But yeah, new video Saturday.